Welcome to China Aviation News. Here is Can Price. I'm Anjin. At first, let's look at the news of the week. On May 28th, AVIC Beijing Institute of Aeronautical Materials and French ESI Group held a signing ceremony in Beijing, jointly setting up AVIC ESI Beijing Technology Development Company Limited. Reporters learned that Aeronautical Materials Institute and ESI Group would work together to give full play to their own technical and market advantages and achieve high-level integration of physical materials research and numerical simulation technology in order to promote the progress of material science and its engineering application and develop the joint venture into a reputed enterprise both at home and abroad. It is reported that AVIC ESI, after its establishment, will be aerospace-based and defense-oriented, providing for users effective configuration of company-aided engineering technology and related skills, delivering high-value technical support service, creating the latest solution based on innovative materials and the simulation technology, and generating property with commercial prospects. On May 22nd, the 2013 annual China Aviation Propulsion Technology Summit Forum was held in Shenyang with nearly 150 representatives of domestic and international research and manufacturing enterprises of aero engine machine, key equipment, and component present. On the forum, some business representatives made a speech on issues like Chinese aero engine industry supposed to drive product development based on the breakthrough in subsystem technology, civil aero engine market forecasts, innovative thinking in research and development of civil aviation parts. The experts pointed out in the market forecasts of civil aviation engines that China's engine aviation industry could grow quickly in the future aero engine market and enhance China's comprehensive national strength. They predict that by 2031, the number of civil aircraft engines on the Chinese market will reach 10,884, and the total amount of global civil aircraft engine deliveries would reach 67,155, with the market value expected to reach $800.35 billion. On May 31st, one day before the International Children's Day, the representative of Honeywell Aerospace came to Mianyang Experimental High School and the Jiangyou Dakang School in Sichuan Province to launch the Home Building Plan Mianyang Station activity. Honeywell donated more than 5,000 books and 25 computers to the two schools, and together with AVIC GTE, the two jointly donated all the money needed for building an e-reading room for the Mianyang Experimental High School. These two schools were seriously destroyed during the Wenchuan earthquake in 2008. Honeywell said, "We hope we can provide some necessary educational resources for the two schools, and in this way to commemorate the 5th anniversary of Wenchuan earthquake." This donation activities was launched under the joint effort of Honeywell, AVIC GTE, and Can Price. On May 22nd, Japan's Mitsubishi Heavy Industries announced the formal completion of acquisition of the business of Pratt & Whitney Power System branch that is subordinate to United Technologies Corporation. After the acquisition, PWPS branch will be renamed as PW Power Systems Company. On May 24th, a power outage occurred in the CNOOC PY301 South China Sea oil platform, for which China Southern Airlines Company Limited Zhuhai Helicopter Branch quickly launched emergency evacuation measures, with two S-92 helicopters guaranteeing the flight and evacuating 57 people in 5 hours. Recently, Zhejiang Wenzhou introduced the comprehensive system planning of Wenzhou Aviation Emergency Rescue. Wenzhou General Aviation is the new army. With the implementation of the planning, Wenzhou's comprehensive emergency rescue will achieve full coverage of air and sea. On May 27th, Tan Ruisong, General Manager of AWIC, met Dr. Harrison, Tanzania Minister of Transport, in Beijing. Tan Ruisong said he hoped two sides would work together to bring their own advantages into full play and strive for substantive process in the project as soon as possible. In the morning of May 30th, Zhang Baoshun, Party Secretary of Anhui Province, announced Hefei Xinqiao International Airport is established and put into service. Welcome back. Let's focus on China Airlines. China's first Boeing 787 Dreamliner landed at the new Baiyun International Airport on June 2nd to join China Southern Airlines. With the joining of the B787, China Southern Airlines has become the world's first airline operation both B787 and A380. The first B787 aircraft was officially delivered to China Southern Airlines on May 30th in the U.S. local time, and it took off on June 1st local time from Seattle, USA after 12 hours flight, arrived in Guangzhou. Before delivery, China Southern Airlines carried out 2 test flights. The aircraft is painted with the wings of dreams in order to highlight the dream of flying and the concept of innovations and technologies. Lanzhou Provincial Committee has informed that instruction on the establishment of Gansu Province Civilian Light Aircraft and Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Industry Alliance has been officially approved. Currently, the alliance has been established in Lanzhou, including enterprises such as Lanzhou Dragon Airlines, Gansu Changfeng Electronic Technology Company Limited, and some colleges and universities like Lanzhou Jiaotong University. The alliance is to build civilian light aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicle industry on the basis of R&D and technology innovation. At last, let's focus on the can review. In recent years, 3D made by frequently blowing hot and cold on the stock market has formed a new trend, which is generally considered as the forthcoming rise of the third industrial revolution in the industries. The concept of rapid manufacturing emerged in the West. Many industry experts have agreed that, at present, China's core technology of rapid manufacturing has matched with those of the West. However, technology is just one of the whole factors that have impact on national industrial development. The key issue in the process of promoting the third industrial revolution now is how to take this opportunity to continue the promotion of the manufacturing industries and build a support system to maximize technology advantages into full play. If we say the transformation of manufacturing industry since the 2008 crisis is the last stand for Western countries, which have been suffered from the economic stagnation, then for China, it is a good opportunity. On April 7th, the chairman of AVIC, Lin Zuoming, pointed out in Boao Forum for Asia that, with the call of digital, the internet-based third industrial revolution has been approached, and the transformation of manufacturing industry from mass production to self-industrialization is to be achieved. Science Aviation Enterprises, whose industrial chain is throughout the whole manufacturing industry, is very much sensitive to the high-end scientific and technological achievements. This has a great significance for China's enterprises in achieving product innovation and compete with Western countries in the future. Thank you for watching Kan News. See you next time.